a time of fast development and market integration. Developing understanding and fulfilling responsibility are criteria of validating the comprehensive strengths of an enterprise and securing a bright future. Shantui Construction Machinery Company Limited is a traditional corporation of industrial equipment with significant influence worldwide. In the past 70 years of endeavors, Shantui forges ahead through trials and hardships and goes far with great responsibilities. Shantui is a first-rate supplier of whole series and one-stop solutions including bulldozers, road machinery, loaders, excavators, concrete machinery, and spare parts. Our bulldozers have a 71% market share in China and rank the first worldwide for production and sales volumes. Shantui was awarded China's only gold medal and has been ranked the first in sales revenue, sales volume, market share, and export value for several years in a row. Shantui is one of the top 50 manufacturers of construction machinery in the world and one of the China's top 500 manufacturers. With the support of Shandong Heavy Industry Group, an international leading enterprise among the global top 500, Shantui has built a more economical and efficient golden industrial chain and formed our advantage in powertrains. Currently, Shantui owns the world's largest manufacturing base for bulldozers and has a strong production guarantee with Shantui International Business Park, Zhongwen Industrial Park, Intelligent Research Institute, Jinan Industrial Park, Huzhou Industrial Park, Linyi Industrial Park. Among the tens of thousands of parts provided by Shantui, most of them are included in the vertical supporting system to ensure on time, but also enter strategic partnerships with more than 200 well-known manufacturers of construction machinery at home and abroad. Shantui has built a national technical center, a provincial engineering technology research center, and a postdoctoral research workstation. Accomplished more than 500 provincial-level new products and technical breakthroughs, obtained over 1,000 authorized patents. China's largest bulldozer, China's first remote-controlled bulldozer, and China remote control compactor are all born here. Shantui has developed and manufactured the world's first 5G remote control large horsepower bulldozer, the world's first electric bulldozer, and is the first in the industry to make a batch delivery of electric loaders. Meanwhile, Shantui has built an intelligent construction system with an intelligent construction service platform and intelligent equipment as the core. For more than 10 kinds of typical working conditions such as earthwork, road construction, and mining, Shantui resorts to integrated intelligent construction using different kinds of machinery and implements visualized and delicacy management of construction progress and construction quality. Shantui drives the green development in the fields of remote control, intelligent networking, new energy, and large horsepower products, achieves a new height in the industry and leads the future of the global high-end equipment manufacturing industry. Shantui equipment has been extensively involved in engineering construction and infrastructure construction projects of overseas highways, railways, airports, electric power and mines, including National Railway Project in Russia, Ministry of Agriculture project in Pakistan, Maya Railway project in Mexico, etc., and has been highly recognized by overseas markets and customers. Shantui, empowering the future and driving the world. Choosing Shantui is to choose reliability, strength, and future.